The best time to harvest and store bean seeds for next sowing is when the day is dry and sunny and when the bean pods have become mature. At maturity, the bean pods turn brown and some quite hollow when you scratch it. This is quite ready. This isn't. This too is ready. After harvesting the mature pods, do not split open the pods. Leave the seeds intact in the pods. This will ensure safety from turning moldy and being attacked by insects. When you harvest it on a sunny day, you do not have to spend another day drying it. Simply keep the whole pods in a dry and airy place till you need it. Happy harvesting and storing. Thanks for watching.